still up today, but let's you see. We're going to take all that away with the stump grinder, right? This is for Bob and Val. Are you with me? They both are up here in Stuart, and look at that. And we'll just notice that he said day one. But I think it'll be nice to Bob. And we'll do that in. And we'll do that in. And get them out the road for him. So there you go. They came and they said, well, we need a wee fence, which we're doing there, right? You ken anybody that does stumps, and only do stumps for jobs that I'm on, so don't need to be contacting me want a stump done. It's only for my use for fences. I know you other stump grinders, don't worry about it, right? I only use it for the WSH personal use. Okay folks, and with a special transporter today, Stucky brought it all the way up the here. And we had to have a red flag at the front of a man with a red flag. That's how bad he was at the drive. We'll see no more about Stucky, also known as Sid Little. See you all later folks.